Welcome to Kathleen Color. Today in the Kathleen Color Lab, I am testing the new Weightless Foundation from Bobbi Brown. This foundation claims that it is great for all skin types, yet it gives oil control and hydration. I'm super excited to see how it wears and how it looks on my skin. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. Before any foundation test, I always make sure that I do good skin prep. So I am using this one from Lancome. It helps to exfoliate the skin. And then I also do a good moisturizer. This will make sure that the foundation goes on smooth and hydrated. With all of my foundation tests, I never use primer or setting powder, just because I want to get a true test of the foundation. So far, this foundation is weightless. It really is. It's so light. It's almost like water on my skin. I like the fact that it has an SPF of 15, and they claim that it is for all skin types. Looks like it's buildable, so you can continue to build it on your skin to get more coverage. It's weightless, and my skin does feel hydrated so far. I'm going to finish my makeup by adding a little bit of blush. This one is from Nude Sticks. I'm going high on the cheekbones just to give a little bit of lift. I feel like the foundation is a little bit light. The girl at the department store, I think matched me just a little bit too light, so I'm going to warm up with bronzer. Chiseling out my cheekbones. Warming up the forehead, and then doing my jawline. For eyes today, I decided to do the Lancome Nude Sculptural Palette, something kind of natural. I'm adding the darker shade into my crease for shape and definition. I already have DIY lashes on. If you'd like more information about DIY lashes, click on my video in the notes below. I'm gonna add a little color underneath my eyes for framing. And then one of my favorite mascaras for the bottom lashes is the Telescopic Mascara from L'Oreal. This straight brush makes it perfect for lower lashes or any lashes to give a smooth, velvety look. My brows are just a little bit sparse, so I'm going to fill them in with this Lancome shaping pencil. Brush them up and over. If you're wondering what type of shape to do for your brows, take a pencil, line it up at the side of your nose, and that's where your brow should start. Go about halfway over, and that's where it should top, and then go all the way over against the side of your eye, and that's where it should end. Usually I like to go 1 or 2 shades darker than my natural hair color, and just match my brows. And now for lips. I'm going to make my lips a little bit fuller by using lip liner. So I'm going to go up and over and go out just a little bit further than my natural lip line. Then I'm just going to fill in with lipstick. This is one of my favorite colors from MAC. It's called Snob. And here's the final look. Let's see what it looks like at the end of the day. I'm back and it's the end of the day, and on the Kathleen color scale, I give this foundation a 5. This foundation totally impressed me. I was surprised at how long it lasted and that my skin felt so hydrated during the day. They claim that it's for all skin types, and it really is. Whether you're normal, oily, or dry, this foundation delivers. I also love that it has an SPF of 15. It's weightless. My skin felt soft and smooth. And the other thing is it had oil control, which I was really surprised. I didn't use primer or setting powder, and it stayed in place the entire day. I didn't get oily even in the hot sun. There really wasn't anything I didn't like about the foundation. If you'd like to see more foundation videos like this one, check out my channel. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.